Hello, my name is Aaron, and today me and my team will presenting the favorite restaurant chains among CS students. So for introduction, I will be talking about statistics. So basically, statistics is the study of data, includes descriptive statistics of methods and tools for collection of data. It is the scientific application of mathematical principles of collection, analysis, organizing, interpret, and presentation of the data. Statistics helps us to make scientific and intelligent decisions. For instance, sample data are used to forecast sales and profit deals with the development, derivation, and proof of statistical theorems, formulas, rules, and laws. Next, I will be talking about our background. The topic we have chosen, which is basically fast food restaurant. So for background, there's a lot of fast food restaurants chains have been established since 1951. For example, a very well-known fast food restaurant known as McDonald's had an insane revenue of $21.025 billion at the end of the year of 2018. So this shows that they really have a huge number of customers. So it won't be surprising if students or young adults such as me myself gonna like to these kind of restaurants. Okay, next I will be talking about our objectives. My team and I have basically 5 objectives. It is very simple to find out what restaurant chains CS students prefer and how often do CS students go to their favorite restaurant, to observe how much do CS students spend in a week for eating out in a restaurant, and to observe what is the best menu in the restaurant. Next, to find out whether the students will recommend this to another individual. Okay, for the methodology, we have selected stratified sampling. Use a method of sampling from a population which can partition into subpopulations. One of the advantages we have chosen is the reason why we have chosen is because it is possible to reduce sample size into smaller groups, as we have a number of total 50 respondents. Okay, the first finding. So based on our questionnaire, the first question was, what is the most preferred restaurant? So based on our findings, so we'll start with the big vanilla group. It's McDonald's. It has 50 respondents have selected McDonald's as their favorite fast food. For Sugar Bun, it has 10 favorite McDonald's as favorite fast food. Subway has 9, Pizza Hut has 7, and KFC has 9. Each representative of by a male and female combined. So the next one is, how often does a CS student go to their favorite restaurant? So basically, this bar graph shows that how many times does a male and a female student go to their favorite restaurant in a week. So most students, which has the highest frequency, they went to their favorite restaurant 3 to 5 times a week, and that is pretty good because most of CS students dine to their favorite restaurants per week, which is 3 to 5 times a week. It has a total of 28 out of 50 respondents, and the least dine to their favorite restaurants dine per week, which is 5 to 7 times.
5 to 7 times per week. Okay, now we move to our third findings, which is how much money did CS students spend dining into their favorite restaurants? Okay, as we can see in table 3 below show that the frequency polygons of money spent by CS students. And now you can see how much the male, how much female spend, and how much total of them spend on around 0 until 29, 30 until 59, 60 until 89, 90 until 109, and then 110 until 129. Okay. Okay, now we move to our fourth finding, which is what type is the most best menu in restaurant. Okay, as we can see here, the best time to dine in is when we're having a lunch. Okay, maybe because during a lunch, student they finish the class. Of course, every student may feel hungry, and that's why the possibility for them to having lunch at their favorite restaurant was very high, as we can see here, especially for a female. Yeah. Okay. So now we move to our fifth finding. Okay. Our fifth finding is: do CS students recommend the restaurant that they have dined to others? Okay. And we can see that most of them that recommend the restaurant is more to female. Okay, and most of them also saying yes, they want to share it. Only few of them also for male also. But for male, we can see here for male they want to know, maybe they don't want to share, or they don't want to recommend the restaurant to others because they really love the restaurant. Okay, that's all for all of our findings. Finally, we arrive on our conclusion. Here is our conclusion. For conclusion, based on our observation, the most preferred restaurants by CS students is Veronica, which has a number of 28 out of 50 respondents. And secondly, most CS students think that having lunch on their favorite restaurant are the best and would definitely recommend to it to others. And lastly, we can say that CS students would spend quite a number of money for their food from their favorite restaurant as they prefer it rather than other restaurants. Okay. Yeah, so this is all from me and my friend. And we really hope that you guys enjoy it. That's all from me, Brian, Aaron, Nabil, and Adam from CS1104B. Thank you.